This is IBM Museum, and it's time for another fun video. I have my PS2, what I call my maxed Model 30 on the bench behind me. And I'm actually going through and running Windows 3.0 on it. I'm going to get shifted a little bit lower on the screen. And I may get the video capture going here as well. So I've gone through with Windows 3.0 and I've played out a game of Solitaire. And this used to be used back in the time, being that I have an NEC V30 in there replacing my 8086 CPU that was on this Model 30, and it is running at 8 megahertz for the improving the processor. And then, of course, I'm not relying on the MCGA video, especially to be here within Windows. I have that IBM PS2 display adapter. It was an 8-bit adapter that IBM made, has even a silver cap chip on it. And I've got that in the top adapter slot. And so what was done a lot of time is to kind of test the video performance. Let me get the sequence started. Okay, so I played the last card up, and once it does that, the cards kind of cascade down in order from the stacks that you have left to right. And I'll start this. I'll probably go through and pause this video because this is going to be a very long time. You really can't see the king that's behind me, that was behind me, for it's just bouncing along a little bit. And they've got to go through and bounce, and some go through and bounce off kind of fast. Some go really kind of slow when they start hitting kind of the edge. I'll just kind of just put along. And it's not really a realistic gauge, but it was used. I mean, a slower system, of course, with the video goes through and cascades those cards down slower. That king is just really shooting down. So we've worked through the kings. It'll start on the queens next, and that zoomed out pretty quick. But as I say, this is going to take such a long time to work between the cards of the deck that I'll just go through and pause the video and come back on just right at the end when the last few cards are playing down. Okay, we're getting down to the twos. And I had it paused for probably, I don't think as long as 10 minutes, but certainly over 5 minutes, probably about 7 minutes, 8 minutes. And as I say, some of those just really go slow. And you did this on a faster system. You know, I had like a 486 DX266, and under Windows 3.1, same thing, Solitaire. That one goes fast, bam. But and of course it cascaded the cards down quicker. It's just interesting to see on this system how relatively slower it is. Although I did see some 286 systems and things like that just really, or poor video boards. It's going through the aces now. We're almost down to the last ace here. And the ace is at the bottom, of course. And then bam. You know, it asks if you want to deal again once it cascades those cards down. But I thought I'd show that. It's just kind of a little fun thing. When you won a game of Solitaire, you could go through and do a little basic little run through to see how quickly it could cascade those cards down. So, but if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and click on that like button and subscribe to my channel if you've not done so already, please. But this is IBM Museum. That's all I have for now. Thank you.